What's up, everybody? Hello there. Today, welcome to the Olympus Academy once again. And as usual, it is your host Chen Yu and your co-host Yongqing.
Yes. Hey, hi there, guys.
What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a lovely day today. As usual, it's the first day of the week. So do not be too hasty finding trades, as normally the best trade ideas and setups happen in the midweek. So without further ado, we shall jump right into it. So as usual, I will be covering Euro USD and Yongqing here will be covering gold. Right? Yes, sir. So we shall just start with the Euro USD chart on the daily time frame. Shall we all go there now, as we can see on the chart? So we can see that price is actually very bullish as of last week, and currently it's in a little bit of a pullback. However, we still believe that price has potential to continue going up. So some key levels to mark out first, guys. Right here is a key level. So you can see that there's a lot of liquidity building up here. Price came up, failed to break the high, and now pulling back a little bit. However, we believe that this swing high here can be broken.
Oh, you mean swing high?
Yes, swing high. Sorry. Swing high here can be broken.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we believe that price can continue going up and test maybe areas of supply, like this area here, which is an area of supply to look out for, or areas of supply over above here to look out for. Yep, and because there are some levels below here, which are market inefficiencies, you can tell. So those levels price might possibly tap into. So now I'll be going down to the smaller time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price actually just closed the 4-hour chart. So we can see price actually closed this kind of candle with a very strong lower and upper wick. However, if you look on the 1-hour time frame, we can see some kind of reaccumulation or consolidation range. And we believe that this consolidation or reaccumulation will definitely be broken soon enough, whether to the downside or to the upside. That is for us to see the lower time frames. So of course, me and Yongqing still believe that Euro USD have strength to continue going up. However, it will be, yes, as Yongqing has marked it out, and there are actually a lot of scenarios that we can see Euro USD pan up now. Either we can see a reaccumulation and move up, or we can see some move down first, clear this low and move up, or we can see further downside retracement, which will be the most ideal for us to take a longer term setup to the upside. So as Yongqing have already marked out, that level is an area to kind of analyze and be wary about, because that is an area of potential liquidity grabs and captures. So that is some of the potential, I would say, potential setups that we can see on Euro USD on the hourly time frame. Yes. So however, I understand that for some, some would like to go down to the lower time frame to check how price is reacting on a very fractal 1-minute basis. So let me just delve down to the lower time frame. Let's talk about the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, we can see this sort of, like a 5-minute bearish trend. And what I mean by that is because there's been, lower lows, lower highs. This is a low high and a lower low here. So you can see that it's in some kind of bearish trend, as you can tell. And we believe that this bearish trend is only for the short term. And we believe that if the schematic plays out, we can see price continue moving up. However, do take note the area that Yongqing have marked out just now, which is this area here, which is an area of liquidity. So that is how it's like looking for the 5 minutes chart on gold. Sorry, I mean on Euro USD. So however, if we go down to the 1-minute time frame, let's talk about this 1-minute chart here. We can see some kind of reaccumulation or possible reaccumulation happening on Euro USD. And we can see that actually over here, price cleared liquidity here. And it seems like price actually had a break of structure, which led to some upside movements. However, currently price is is actually headed down, and actually to some bearish believers, we can also take this as a sweep of liquidity for price to go down further. So actually right now price is very uncertain. It is seemingly in a bearish kind of range. It just reacted off this tiny supply zone here, and it seems like it has strength to continue going down actually. So I would say that it's best to stay clear of Euro USD right now, because on the small time frame there's not much confirmation. Remember, we always have to want to wait for the best setups. We have to wait for the best confirmations. So that will be it for Euro USD.
Okay, to add on, maybe we can take a look at the 4 hours.
Let's head down to the 4 hours time frame.
So yeah, just to note out, there might be a possible area right here. That's the 4 hours fair value gap. So let me draw it out once more. Maybe I'll use a line. So this area right here, potentially that it might be a possible fair value gap, the H4 fair value gap area, where price might potentially tap into. So yeah, just do take note of that. If you're looking for a long to the upside, price might retrace back down to this area right here, which is the H4 fair value gap FVG. Yeah, that's just about it for my side.
Yeah, so I think Chen already covered that this 4 hour fair value gap is an area to be, is an area of concern and an area that we would have to look out for. So without further ado, that will be the end of Euro USD, and now we can touch on gold, because gold is also very interesting currently. So let's just delve right into gold. And okay, so this is just an analysis that I've done, but let me switch the chart colors.
Or maybe you can open another gold, empty gold charts
Yeah,
from another
so
broker.
I'll just
No,
delete.
it's fine, it's fine. You can open another charts from
Yeah.
another broker.
Okay, it's okay. I was good. So I'm here now.
Right. So let's get to the daily first. So yeah, just looking at the daily, price just cleared the buy side liquidity right here, clearing out here. So we actually have a minor reaction right there. But if you're looking at pure smart money concepts, this is an area that I would like to take a look out for. So let me clear this out. So yeah, there is a supply zone that I am looking out for. Supply zone on the daily. So yeah, that area is a potential area that I'm looking at for price to head towards. But at the very moment, looking at the daily, there is a, what do I call this? It's a daily fair value gap. So let's move on to the H4 time frame. So you're looking at the H4 time frame, same thing. We actually have a equal low line right here. Equal low line right here, where price might potentially come down to clear that area. Also adding confluence to that area, there is there's also a fair value gap rested right here along with the equal lows. So I'll be pretty wary if you are looking for a long right now. If you're looking for a long, price might retrace back down, clearing this area, and might potentially headed downwards towards the 1730 area. So let's do a quick one, moving on to the H1 chart. So yeah, looking at the H1 chart, we can clearly see that price actually cleared liquidity. It cleared liquidity right here before it continue heading to the upside. But maybe let's move on to the 15 minutes so we can have a clearer picture of what's going on. So yeah, I'll clear things out. So you can take a look. Price actually cleared all the sell side liquidity right here before it had a pretty nice break, pretty nice market structure shift. So yeah, a pretty nice shift in market structure shift right here. So maybe we do it on the 5 minutes. It's not that clear. So yeah, once again, we have a pretty nice market structure shift right here. Okay, I think I need to use the other one. So we have a pretty nice market structure shift right here. Price came down before it continued to the upside. So maybe the entry was on the 1 minute. 1 minute? Ah, yes. Which Chen has marked out. It's pretty nice, a bullish trend. So yeah, let me draw it out once more. So with that break in structure, price came down and cleared liquidity. Cleared liquidity right here before it continued to the upside. So yeah, that was a potential trade that we could have taken earlier on. But since we have our full-time jobs, we are working, we are not on the charts 24/7. So yeah, anything to add on, Chedi?
Yeah, so this is actually a very potential trade setup, right? So in terms of SMC trade, this is one of the trade setups that we'll be looking out for in the way that Chen have already mentioned, right? While upon the break of structure over here, a structure break, this confirms the bullish intent for gold, and then we wait for a retracement down before we take again. So for example, let's say we want to wait for a retracement down, we can wait for this lows to be taken out and place our entry right at this lows. Yes, the point that Chen have marked out. And our SL is dependent on your risk appetite, because I've seen times where price actually whipped down and went down to clear further lows before coming back up. However, if price is very bullish, we can see price also just coming down slightly before whipping up like today. So, it's really up to your own due diligence to see how price is reacting. And if you feel like price has been very slow and choppy, it is best to increase our SL all the way to the low at the bottom here. However, if you feel like price is very volatile and there's a lot of strength and bullish momentum, you can adjust our SL slightly lower, slightly higher, maybe at around the point here, where there's a demand zone resting here. So that will also give us a better RR. So I guess, this really just lets you guys know that it's really dependent on your risk appetite, as I've mentioned. So, yep, so that'll be it for me.
Yeah, that's all I have for Go at the moment. I'm just playing it safe, just waiting for price to hit the fair value gaps before I look for potential buy.
Yeah, so guys, it's a Monday, right? So don't be too hasty with the trades. If you have taken one trade, that's fine. Win or lose, that's fine. Call it a day after a one trade. We don't want to mess up our psychology just at the start of the week, guys. There will still be a lot of more potential intraday setups that we can take. Of course, for swings, if you're looking for swings, of course, that would have to be a bit more intricate and delicate. However, if you're looking at intradays like what me and Chen are looking out for, quick intradays, that will definitely be present for in along the week. So just take a step back, take a relax, take a chill day today. It's a Monday, guys. So yeah.
Yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. Our Instagram at the Olympus Academy.
Yes, so I will be okay. So the thing is, I'll be uploading this recorded video on YouTube, and you guys can follow us at the Olympus Academy. Okay, guys. So do drop that a follow and a like and a subscribe down below. So let me just write it down here at the Olympus Academy. Yes. So without further ado, I will wrap up today's session. Okay, once again, guys, it's been a pleasure, talking to you guys and really analyzing the charts for you guys, because it also help us have a sense check of what's price doing. And not just that, we hope to provide value to you guys by hearing some of our analysis, and it'll be great if you guys can agree to it. So if you guys agree to it, or you guys have any questions, please do leave a comment down on the comment section below, which will be uploading this YouTube video on YouTube in the next 15 minutes. So do stay tuned, guys, and we'll catch you tomorrow again at about 9 p.m. Today, I know that it's a bit late because there's been some technical difficulties, but tomorrow we'll be seeing you guys again at 9 p.m. So do stay tuned. All right, bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you for joining.
Thanks for joining, guys.
Yeah, bye bye.